Your phone could be spying on you right now, without you ever opening the camera. Hidden apps and silent settings can secretly turn on your camera, take photos, record video, and send it online, without you knowing, and without leaving a single trace. And the scariest part? Most people have no idea it's happening. In this video, I'll expose the hidden camera permissions buried deep inside your phone, and show you exactly how to find and shut them down for good. Let's lock it down right now. So let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Camera permission. First, open up the Settings app. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Apps or App Management depending on your phone model. Then find the camera app, tap on it. Now tap on Permissions. Here, you'll likely see common permissions like camera, microphone, used for video recording, etc. But don't stop there. That's not everything. There are often additional hidden permissions that apps can access, and some of them are far more powerful than they seem to reveal them. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select All Permissions. This will show you a complete list of what the camera app can do behind the scenes, including things you may not have knowingly allowed. Now you'll see a full list of capabilities the app has. One surprising permission is full network access. Scroll down a little bit. Here you will see the Have Full Network Access option. This means the camera app can connect to the internet and potentially send photo or video data without your knowledge. This is where the danger lies. That's why we need to start limiting this access. Now go back to the App Info setting screen for the camera. Scroll down all the way, tap on Change System Settings, and toggle off this Allow Permission. Solution 2. Camera Background Activity. Go to the Settings app again, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Apps or App Management depending on your phone model. Then find the camera app, tap on it, scroll down, then tap on Battery. Here you'll be presented with the different options for how the app is allowed to use power in the background. So change the setting from optimized or unrestricted to restricted. By setting the camera app to restricted, you're ensuring that it can't run in the background and silently activate without your permission. This will help save battery and give you peace of mind knowing that your camera isn't being used to spy on you when you're not actively using it. Solution 3. Camera Access. Go to the Settings app on your phone, then scroll down. After that, tap on Security and Privacy. Scroll down to the Privacy section, then tap on Permission Used. Select 7 days first if you selected the last 24 hours before. Then tap Camera here. Here, you'll now see a list of apps that have accessed your camera, along with the exact time and date of each access. Here, if you find anything suspicious, go ahead and turn off the camera's access. To do this, simply tap on the app and then select Don't Allow. This will stop the app from accessing your camera in the future. And that's all. This is how you can stop phone camera to spy on you. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.